Hello, Mike Harry back with you again, and now we're going to take a look at the golden rule of what it takes to make a sale. You know, it's pretty simple. The first element of the equation is that of value. And so what do we mean by that? What we're really talking about here is bang per buck. That's value. In the case of MindPro, what is its functions? What is its features, quality, price, delivery, and support? You know, in terms of function, MindPro does something. It goes out and executes training, simulators, and so on. And that's some of the features like the coach and so on. In terms of quality, quality's got to be there to have value. And reliability. It's got to be able to work every time they call it up. And there can't be defects in it, mistakes in the lectures and that sort of thing. They also, customers to see value, want a very low price. They want as low a price as possible. And they want delivered on time. The best, of course, is when they can get it the second they pay for it, it's available. And that's the way MindPro is. There's instantaneous on-time delivery with that. And you also got to look at support. Is this product supported? Is it supported in terms of questions that might come up from students and how that's handled? For example, they can turn to many discussion boards to get the kind of support that they need, and that's free, doesn't cost anything. They also have friends and so on that can be black belts and master black belts that can help them. Many ways that a customer can reach out and gain content support. And they can also get functionality support in calling in to our 800 number. So we have function, we have many features, we have high quality, we have the lowest price going, and it's delivered on time with full support. And when you look at it that way, for the amount they're paying, it's big bang per buck. That's value. Value's got to be there first and foremost to make a sale. You got to have the right product at the right time, delivered on time every time, the right way. That's simple. That's value. Now, as we go further, let's take a look, for example, at NDA. NDA starts with N for need. What we're talking about there is what need does this product satisfy? Well, it satisfies the need for a better education in the area of process improvement and those sorts of things. They learn Six Sigma, they get certified as a black belt, and then that gives them vertical and horizontal job mobility, better pay, etc. Now, in turn, that money helps them satisfy their physiological needs and their safety needs. And to a large extent, when they get a full certification from a highly credible source, such as from MindPro, it satisfies their social needs because they get recognition for that it's something of value in the world. And that in turn boosts their esteem and self-confidence in how they can use and learn more and apply what they do know. Now, let's go to the second letter, which is D and stands for desire. Not only does your customer have to have the need, they've got to have the desire for the product. And we've talked about how to create that desire through education. The more you educate your prospects to the features and benefits and adaptability of MindPro and what it can bring for them, the more desire you're going to build in them through education. Then they also have to have the ability to pay. So as we back up, we can look at does the customer have the need, do they have the desire, and do they have the ability to pay? These are ways to qualify your prospects that should be going through your mind when you talk to them and interface with them. Now let's go to the next acronym, KLT. That means they've got to know you. And so they've got to know something about you. That really helps with bringing about and closing a sale. And to get to know you, give them your background information and your beliefs. For example, your professional background, you can put a link in over to your LinkedIn site to show your profile, to show your Vita. And you can also share your beliefs. People can learn a lot by looking at pictures and conversations that maybe you have on Facebook. So don't be afraid to show who you are and what you're about in your background. This helps your prospects get to know you. Now, they may choose not to. They may just want to just go and buy the product. Now, the next element of that is L, which means they got to like you. So you got to show your personality. Don't hold back. Be up-spirited when you talk to them. Show your spirit. Show them what you're all about. Tell them. Let that shine in you come through as you talk to them on the phone or in your messages, etc. Always be upbeat and positive. And that's the personality characteristics that helps them like you. Now, the last element of this is trust. They've got to trust you. Now, here's what we mean by that. When you look at the data and information that you provide to a prospect, both written and verbal, as well as what's on the MindPro website and other sources, you cannot leave out information. That means omission. They will distrust you if you leave out vital information. Then, commission. Commission is the act of altering the facts and figures, so to speak. If you change those facts, change those figures in order to make it look more glamorous, etc., and they get on to you, you're done. That sale's over with. So integrity of data and information, and the proper amount of information, the right information at the right time, not leaving any out and not altering it, that is a way that they will build trust in you. And let's back up. So when we've got strong value, they have the need, the desire, and the ability to pay, and they know you, like you, and trust you, that's going to translate to a sale.